food security. Now, why this issue is in news? The important thing that was in news was the one nation, one ration card scheme. I hope you guys have read this news. Supreme Court had given some directions to the government on how it should be proceeding with the one nation one ration card scheme. Okay, so is basis पे we will be looking into a much larger issue, that is of food security. The important or the basic principle why one nation one ration card scheme was launched was that कि जो लोग हैं, okay, especially the migrants, okay, whenever they migrate from different places, they should be able to get their entitlements in the National Food Security Act. Okay, under the National Food Security Act, these people are entitled to some form of uh, rations. Okay, and because they migrate from one place to another place, they might not able to get those entitlements. Okay, तो वन नेशन वन रेशन कार्ड स्कीम लाया था, दैट हैम्पर्स. ओके, जब तुम्हें रेशन कार्ड रेशन ही नहीं मिल रहा है, ओके, तो दैट विल हैम्पर योर फूड सिक्योरिटी, राइट? सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दिस सेकंड टॉपिक, food security. Now can anyone tell me what is food security? Food security मतलब क्या? तो मैं ही बोल देता हूँ. Okay, let's proceed fast. We have to cover at least one more topic ahead. So food security can be said that situation, okay, where people, all people, okay, at all times have physical, economic access to safe food, let's say safe food. ओके, तो फूड सिक्योरिटी को हम लोग क्या बोल सकते हैं कि व्हाट इज फूड सिक्योरिटी? तो फूड सिक्योरिटी इज अ सिचुएशन वेयर ऑल द पीपल at all times have physical economic access to safe food. okay, तुम्हें physical access भी होना चाहिए और economic access भी होना चाहिए. That brings to the three integral elements of food security. okay, that is, first is food availability. This is nothing but the physical access to food. okay, people should have physical access to food in sufficient quantities. okay, physical access. sufficient quantities में physical access होना चाहिए. The second element is of food accessibility. okay, and this talks about economic access. okay, economic access to food. People should be able to purchase, okay, food. okay, तो ये एक बहुत ही important point है in food accessibility. okay, that food should be affordable to the people. okay, economic access होना चाहिए. The third aspect is food utilization. food utilization. okay, that means कि भाई जो कुछ भी आप खा रहे हो, okay, the consumed food should have nutritional impact on the people. ओके जो कुछ भी आप खा रहे हो उसका न्यूट्रिशन इम्पैक्ट होना चाहिए आप पे. ओके otherwise there is no food security. Food security means fulfilling of all of these three conditions. अगर एक भी कंडीशन फुलफिल नहीं हो रहा है दैट मीन्स कि भाई फूड सिक्योरिटी फुलफिल नहीं हो रहा है. ओके दीज आर द थ्री एलिमेंट्स ऑफ फूड सिक्योरिटी. ओके नाउ व्हाई इज फूड सिक्योरिटी important? Why do we need food security? So food security through physical access, through economic access, and through food utilization, it helps in the health and well-being of the people. Okay, people's health and well-being can be pursued through food security. Okay, and whenever the people are healthy and active, okay, that means ki bhai they can turn their attention towards different things like education हो गया, healthcare हो गया, okay, and improving their living standard. okay, अगर कोई बंदा फूड ही नहीं मिल रहा है तो आगे की जो कुछ भी नीड्स हैं उसके, एजुकेशन हो, हेल्थ केयर हो, ओके, ये नीड्स कैसे फुलफिल कर पाएगा? ओके फॉर फुलफिलिंग दोज लेट्स से secondary needs, the primary needs should be fulfilled, and the most important primary need of human being is of surviving, right? And for surviving you need food. Okay, so food security is indirectly, it is linked, or you can say directly linked to the economic well-being of the people. Okay, लोगों का economic well-being डिपेंड करता है फूड सिक्योरिटी पे. नाउ लेट्स लुक इनटू दिस फूड सिक्योरिटी इन इंडिया. ओके इंडिया में फूड सिक्योरिटी का सिनेरियो क्या है? द इंडियन पीपल आर कंसिडर्ड वन ऑफ द मोस्ट अंडर नरिश्ड पीपल ऑल ओवर द ग्लोब. ओके अंडर नरिश्ड होते हैं बोलते हैं. ओके and this has happened because all through the India's history. Okay, be it the ancient times, medieval times, or in the modern times. Especially in the modern times, the common people have suffered at the hands of the Britishers. And one of the most glaring example of British colonial rule on the food security of India is of the Bengal famine in 1943. 1943 में जो ये famine हुआ था और more than 2 million people died because of this Bengal famine. Okay, so Britishers, they were not at all interested in improving the food security of the people. They only wanted to fill their pockets. Okay, तो वहां पे food security का कुछ था ही नहीं. Okay, then after independence, for attaining food security, we went through various stages. The most important stage that we went through was of Green Revolution in the late 1960s. ओके ग्रीन रिवोल्यूशन लाया था इन इंडिया इन द लेट 1960 66 67 के इसमें. सो व्हाट हैपेंड आफ्टर इंडिपेंडेंस? आफ्टर इंडिपेंडेंस वी सॉ कि वी निग्लेक्टेड एग्रीकल्चर टू सम एक्सटेंट. ओके वी फोकस्ड ऑन इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन, कैपिटल इंटेंसिव इंडस्ट्रीज बनाने लगे हम लोग. ओके स्टील प्लांट सेटअप किए, हाइड्रो पावर प्रोजेक्ट सेटअप करने लगे. ओके एंड agriculture was somewhat neglected. Okay, and we were depending on food aid from United States. Okay, United States से हम लोग ये अलग अलग फूड एड पे डिपेंड कर रहे थे, एंड इंडिया वाज इन अ वेरी वल्नरेबल स्टेज. ओके, एंड एट दैट टाइम we had some 2 to 3 years of droughts and famines. Okay, and after that in 66 67 we brought in this green revolution to overcome that problem of food security in India, for improving firstly the physical access to food. Okay, and we heavily depended on two cereals, wheat and rice. Okay, our green revolution strategy was heavily focused on these two cereals कि भाई ये दो cereals का जो भी एरिया है अंडर प्रोडक्शन वो बढ़ाओ. Okay, provide different kinds of hybrid seeds, provide chemical fertilizers, pesticides. Okay, and try to improve the production of these two cereals, and it to some extent it proved beneficial. Okay, the production of wheat and rice, it skyrocketed. Okay, and physical access जो है food का, that physical access part, this problem was solved. Okay, physical access part was solved. Yet the second aspect, that is of economic access. ओके, वो सॉल्व करने के लिए हम लोगों ने क्या किया, वी ब्रॉट इन दी पब्लिक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सिस्टम. आई होप यू गाइज नो दिस. पीडीएस सिस्टम जो हम लोगों ने अभी भी हम लोग फॉलो करते हैं थ्रू फेयर प्राइस शॉप्स. पीपल आर गिवन फूड at subsidized rates, right? Subsidized rates में हम लोग फेयर प्राइस शॉप से अंडर प्रिविलेज लोगों को फूड प्रोवाइड करते हैं, इकोनॉमिक एक्सेस देते हैं. ओके, बट द थर्ड एस्पेक्ट और द थर्ड एलिमेंट ऑफ फूड सिक्योरिटी, that is of nutrition, that is very much lacking, that has been lacking over the past 60 years. Okay, green revolution हो या ना हो, okay, yet the nutrition aspect is lacking. हम लोगों का जो कुछ भी पीडीएस सिस्टम के थ्रू जो कुछ भी प्रोवाइड करते हैं हम लोग, मेजॉरिटी ऑफ इट रेस्ट ऑन wheat, rice and some pulses. ओके, तो पल्सेस का जो कुछ भी ये है प्रपोर्शन है, दिस इज वेरी लो. ओके, these two form a disproportionate number. Okay, when it comes to providing rations through public distribution system.